Maddy and Jimmy.
Hi guys, Maddy and Jimmy here, and we have just watched the new trailer for Season 2 of LEGO Masters Australia. We are so pumped.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
We're even more excited because we have with us, through the internet, Henry and Cade, LEGO Masters from Season 1. Guys, how are you?
Hey.
Maddy and Jimmy, how are ya?
So good, guys.
Hey guys, good to be here.
Hi Cade, you've got a weird connection, but maybe you're just like a really good puppeteer, like you can talk like a ventriloquist. I like it. So guys, we've all just watched, the new trailer. I know what it was. What was it like for you when you've watched the Season 1 trailer first? Like, how was that?
It was really, I think it brought back a lot of good memories, eh? It really did. Like, you cast your mind back to when you were like watching it ourselves for the first time, right?
Mm-hmm.
The whole rig thing, Maddy, and all that, and everyone's like, "Oh, it's a big trailer."
I think the big thing for me when I saw that first trailer was we'd kind of kept this secret about this awesome experience that we'd all had for so long from all our friends and family. And finally we could go, check out this awesome thing we did.
Yeah.
Totally.
And, that was an awesome moment.
We didn't have to live a lie anymore. It was like we were superheroes and we could finally tell people our identity.
We weren't making it up. Yes.
And so I guess let's cut to the chase. The new season has been announced. It's really exciting. What did we think of Hamish flying through the sky and Brickman getting sort of angry at him?
You can definitely tell the special effects have been stepped up to another notch.
Yeah.
Don't you reckon?
Yeah. Yeah. It's really cool. It's a lot of fun. I feel like the first season, the marketing team was probably getting their heads around LEGO Masters. I feel like this time they've really captured the fun of what it's like to be on the show and what the show's about. And I think that really comes across with that, those interactions between Hamish and Brickman. It's really cool to see.
Totally. I think because they were also like such characters in Season 1 as well. Like I'm so happy they kind of gave them a bit more of a spotlight in the trailer. It looks sick. And I loved how it was the city of Melbourne too, like the tram coming together with the Lego pieces.
Yeah, you guys in Melbourne need a win now and then, so
Yeah, sweet digs. And then it shows some of the builds straight up. I think the first build we see are those two robots in a coliseum going head to head. And then I think it cuts to this incredible blimp. There's a fish. They've stepped up. Is that like? Do you guys reckon that's like the builds from episode 1?
If they're the builds from episode,
you never know.
I'm very, very worried. As LEGO Masters.
Yeah, absolutely. And do you guys have any theories watching the trailer of any sort of interesting challenges that you think might be on the show? It looks definitely like there's going to be another explosion episode.
Yeah, I saw the explosion episode, the sneak peek of, and then it might be that there's a create a robot challenge or create a fish challenge. By the looks of it.
Yeah. There's Hamish is swimming underwater at one stage.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed, there's a really cool detail with that fish. There's a little submarine swimming out of that fish's mouth, which was pretty cool. I thought that was a really nice touch. Bit of story in there, not just a fish. There's some stuff going on.
Well, Cade, it's all about story, aesthetic, and technique. Just in case you'd forgotten as a LEGO master.
So I've been told.
Yeah, I'm interested to know whether Hamish in the tank is that they've got to create something to go in water. Like, is it something to go in an aquarium? I don't know. I thought that was kind of cool.
I wonder if there's like a giant shark in there that chases him, because that would be highly entertaining.
Yeah, but it's kind of a cross between LEGO Masters and like Ninja Warrior, possibly.
Yeah.
Hey,
Good place for Channel 9, crossover.
Yeah, nice, crossover episode. I also saw there's an island, there's a shot of an island, and you can clearly see that they've sort of segmented off these little islands. There's like a volcano in the middle, and there's these tiny islands. That one looks cool.
I hope that's a Brickman build.
Yeah, I mean, this reminds me when we were on the show, and there'd be some crazy build Brickman and his team is built behind, and you're like, what crazy challenge have they hooked up? You could never predict what it was going to be about. So I'm really excited to see what each of those ones are.
Yeah.
Totally. I'm also really excited to sort of get to know the teams as well. Like, it was cool to kind of get a bit of a feel for the type of characters they've got, people they've got building this year. So I'm excited to sort of see what the team dynamics are as well.
Yeah, it seems like there's a lot more women on the show this season as well, which is really cool.
Absolutely.
And also in the US version, I think they cloned you guys.
US one.
Does that mean I'm the brunette girl with tattoos?
Her name's not Jimmy.
I mean, I'm not quite sure why that's a question, Jimmy.
Well, guys, I'm really excited. I can tell you guys are really pumped for the next season. We should talk more when the episodes come out.
Yeah.
We do have one more question for you guys, though. Everybody's inside at the moment. There's no denying it. What are you guys building while you're stuck indoors?
I rehashed some of my chessboards out for the kids this weekend because I think we've literally watched everything on Disney Plus 4 times. And there's nothing left. I've gone through the entire internet. So I've dug out the chessboards again so that the kids can start playing with the chessboards, and maybe, we're just revisiting it. We're trying not to...
that have not seen Henry's chessboards, he's actually made chessboards out of Lego. They're absolutely amazing. And you've got some on your Instagram, don't you, Henry?
Yeah, I've got some on my Instagram. I've done a Minecraft one, a Batman one, and just a normal one. But yeah, I thought, there's only so long you can distract them with their phones.
And what about you, Cade? What are you building?
Look, it's pretty crazy. I think every day this year, since Lego Masters almost, I've been playing or building stuff out of Lego. And that's not just like my house that has now been converted into a Lego house from all of the winnings, money that I got from the show. That's just we have so much fun with it. Henry and I have got a couple of secret projects we're working on, which we'll be able to share with everyone soon.
He went there.
Yeah, I'm excited. I love a secret project.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Is it a line of dad bod underwear?
How did you know?
Well, Henry and Cade, Lego Masters Season 1. No one can ever take that away from you guys. Thank you so much for joining us on the Maddy and Jimmy live stream show.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Keep on building.